Today we are back with Mr. Zach, and we are going to add some fractions. So we'll add, give me a fraction, Ignacio.
7/8.
2/5 plus 7.
Eighths.
Let's go with
Ninths.
ninths. Okay. The most important thing when you're adding and subtracting, you need to have apples and apples. Right now we have an apple and an orange. They are not the same. We need to have the denominators be the same, apples and apples. How can we do that? We have to find the multiples of 5 and 9. Multiples, not factors, multiples. Say it with me. Multiples. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15.
20,
25,
30,
35, 40,
and
45.
That's a 45 right there. The multiples of 9 are 9,
18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
and we can stop because we know 45 and 45, that is the least common multiple, and that's going to be our new least common denominator for our fractions. 45, remember that. So we're going to make equivalent fractions with the fractions that are already on our paper. So this is what we have. We're going to make equivalent fractions with 45 as the new denominator. How do I go from 5 to 45? I multiply by 9. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 2 times 9 is 18. And how do I go from 9 to 45? I multiply by 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 7 times 5 is
35.
35. So my new equivalent fractions are 18 45ths plus 35 45ths. Now, do I have apples and apples?
Yes.
You betcha I do. 45 plus 45. Now I can add the tops, or add the top together.
53.
Numerators. 18 plus 35. If I don't know off the top of my head, I can just do simple math. 18, 35, add them up. 5 plus 8 is?
13.
13.
5 plus 1 is?
No, you're doing it wrong.
5 plus 1.
3 plus 2 is 5.
3 plus 2.
Oh, I mean, sorry. 3 plus 2 is
5.
5. So my answer is
53.
53.
Told ya.
So when I add my fractions up together, I will have 53
Apples.
over 45, which is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. The numerator is greater than the denominator. I can make my improper fraction into a mixed number. 53 divided by 45. How many times can 45 go into 53? Once, which would be 45 with the remainder of what, Quinn?
8.
My 8 becomes my new numerator, and my divisor becomes my new denominator. So my answer in simplest form will be 1 and 8/45. I know that's in simplest form because the factors of 8 and 45, the greatest common factor that they have is 1.